Hey, what's up guys, Nadri back here with another tips and tricks video. So in this video I'll be showcasing the tips and tricks of Netflix and how you can enable it. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video and let's check out this cool awesome 3 new tips and tricks of 2020 towards Netflix. So here we go. Okay, so the shortest first Netflix trick we have got under this sleeve is a lock the player. So if you have updated Netflix to its latest version, you will be introduced with a screen lock option on the video player. Simply open the Netflix app, start a TV show or a movie, and you will notice a screen lock option at the bottom of the screen. Once enabled, this feature will hide the play, pause and forward rewind button on the screen, thus preventing accidental pauses. Okay, so the second trick we have got that how you can delete the Netflix history. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to go over to the Netflix application, then you have to create, or you can just hold to your hamburger menu option where it's written more, and whenever you click on the more option, you get to see an option called account. So if you press this account, it will redirect you to the official netflix.com website. So just scroll down and you just get to see an option from profile and parental controls. Just click on that below arrow icon and you will get to see a viewing activity option. So whenever you click on the viewing activity option, you are getting all the feeds or all the history of 24 hours time that you have watched on Netflix, and there you have to just press on that, like that kind of sign, that prohibited or deleted or deleting sign. Just tap on it and you see that the 24 hours history has been deleted, or anything which you tap will be deleted actually. So that was a pretty much interesting trick that I recently found out from Google. So yeah, it's pretty much helpful for me. Okay, so the next and the last one will be the Google Assistant integration. So while connecting Alexa and Netflix is quite tricky, doing that with Google Assistant is a way simpler. All you have to do is head over to the settings of Google Assistant and switch to the services tab. Within this tab, tap on videos and photos, and then you will have the option to link your Netflix account. Post that, Google Assistant can directly play titles for you on Netflix. So you can see it for yourself that I'm actually speaking outside the camera because there are lots of background noises. For that I have to mute it. So you can see that while I talk, the Google Assistant directly redirect me to the Netflix to see Teen Wolf. Yeah, so that is currently my favorite TV show right now on Netflix, so you can just go over it. So that was pretty much it for this video. So this was a pretty much a good short video for the tips and tricks of Netflix. As you guys know that Netflix doesn't have lots of tips and tricks due to its high security features or adaptability, or you can say encrypted database. So for that reason there are not so much tips and tricks about Netflix, but quite a few are really handful if you really know it. So if you do find this video helpful regarding Netflix, then do like and subscribe my channel. It's Nadri from NDHD. I hope you do and really support me for my upcoming videos and towards my small channel. So guys, let's see you off and see you at the next one. So bye bye.